In this lesson, we'll explore hidden gems of Pitch Avatar, included in your plan and designed to boost your sales. Translate your sales videos into new languages.
Upload a video file or paste a YouTube link.
Here we extract the text from your video to use it for voiceover, adding an avatar or translating it into other languages. The original video stays the same. We simply replace the voice track with a new language, so your message reaches any audience without re-recording. Here you can fine-tune how the avatar matches the video. Options include adjusting speed, trimming, or keeping original timing, so the dubbed video stays smooth and realistic.
Witamy w British English in 3 minutes na englishclass101.com.
Done! Now you can either create a shareable link to your localized video or download it directly as MP4 file with or without subtitles. Quickly build branded slides without external tools. Start with a blank slide. You can upload your own background image or generate one using AI with a custom prompt. Then add your script and instantly place an avatar on the slide to present it step by step.
We're excited to introduce our new project management software next week.
Share presentations directly from Gmail, Outlook, or LinkedIn with Pitch Avatar Chrome extension that is included in your plan. This add-on will generate personalized links and interactive snippets that increase click-through rates and spark interest in your content. Distribute your presentations the way you need, via link, iFrame, or as a floating chat avatar widget. Use these hidden gems to expand your reach and close deals faster.